Now let's talk about the concept and measurement. The first topic is conceptual. The first topic in this section is called conceptualization. So what does it mean? Conceptualization is the art of defining abstract ideas and notions. Uh, let's take uh, let's take an example of an idea, right? Then we take the idea and we break down into we define the idea in a broadly accepted terms, in broadly accepted manner. Like let's take example of integrating social atmosphere. For this, we can define integrating social atmosphere as a general communal feeling or ambience of a particular location, environment, and a grouping of people. Next topic is operationalization. So we define operationalization is a process of taking a concept and determining how it can be measured. So to do this, we break down a concept into multiple dimensions, or this is called typology in a scientific term. Now let's take the social atmosphere and break down entertaining social atmosphere break down into multiple dimensions. For example, ambience or general feeling, the location, surrounding, like decor, arrangement, and other qualities, and type of social interaction. So this is operationalization. Very important, folks. Very important to do operationalization to measure a concept which is not easily measurable. Now, thirdly, metrics and indicator development. For each dimension we developed in previous step, we will develop indicators or metrics for each of the dimension. For ambience, what we can do is we can create a survey about general feeling among the party attendants. For location, it can be room in the house. And for surroundings, it can be a degree of brightness of the room. And for type of social interaction, it can be a length of a conversation. And lastly, for this conceptualization measurement topic, it is hypothesis generation. What is hypothesis generation, folks? Hypothesis generation is a supposition or proposed explanation made on the basis of limited evidence as a starting point for further investigation. This is actually the explanation of a hypothesis generation. It is actually a first step toward proposing explanations. It is a proposed relationship between two variables, A and B, a change independent variable and dependent variable. It is a proposed relationship, or it is a relationship between one variable and a change, like a retention of a number of customers based upon new feature. That's a new feature is a new variable, and retention of the customer is a existing variable. Now let's go back to again our entertaining social atmosphere. So for this, we can do hypothesis generation. For this, we can say that an entertaining social atmosphere makes a guest more likely to return to future parties. Good food makes guests more likely to return to future parties. Having nice people at the parties make guests more likely to return to future parties. And combination of entertaining atmosphere, good food, and nice guests makes people even more likely to attend compared to individual factors in isolation. So this is an example of hypothesis generation.